Hey, and welcome to this week's lesson. My name is Alex, the founder of ESL With Purpose. Please subscribe and share if you like my videos. Today we're going to learn phrasal verbs in the kitchen. All right, so phrasal verbs in the kitchen. One of the phrasal verbs we might say is turn on. I might turn on the water. Another phrasal verb we might say is open up. I'm going to open up the cabinet. And I'm going to take out a plate. So I'll open up the cabinet and take out a plate, turn on the water. Something else I might do if I'm cooking in the kitchen, maybe for dinner or lunch, we will open up the oven or open up the microwave. Again, we use turn on, like turn on the water, turn on the microwave. I might fill up, get some coffee. I might fill up my coffee cup. Or pour out. I might pour out the coffee. Another one, open up again for the refrigerator, maybe the pantry. Those are some common phrasal verbs you'll find in the kitchen. Some other ones, if I'm cooking and I'm using like this, and maybe I want to cut up an orange. Maybe I want to cut up an orange, or maybe an apple. I might cut up an apple. I would do that like this. Take a knife and I cut it up. So cut up would be the phrasal verb there. So those are just a few kitchen phrasal verbs for you this week to learn in English. If you want to learn more phrasal verbs, again, subscribe and share and watch these other videos. Also, I have some links below where you can get my phrase it cards, 70 of the most common phrasal verbs that we say in English that you can practice at home in a fun way with a unique game. I will see you in a future lesson.